Hey, listen to me. Would he freak out if I pick him up and hang him upside down? I'm not guaranteeing I'm gonna get it either. I'm just saying I want to try. Hello.
It for someone to help me because this is my first time on the beach. And I already paid to get down here, and
Don't you worry about it. I'll take care of you.
I'm from Hawaii. We don't drive on the beach. I said I need to drive on this beach, and then what I do, I get stuck.
That's okay.
That's why we don't drive on the beach.
So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get you hooked up, and I'm gonna pull you back out this way, and we'll get you on the hard stuff and get you going down that way. Okay. All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You should be in the car when I pull it out. It's like a Disney ride.
Get in the car.
It's a while. We got a little while. It's all right. I gotta get all hooked up.
Do I need to get in the car?
Yeah, you driving, girl.
Okay, I'm making sure. It's my first time.
That's okay. We got you the whole way. I'm so glad that we were at the end of that phone line for you. Who gave you our number?
The guy in the pier.
Oh yeah, beach safety. All right, 20-footer into a 2-inch receiver. You got high five, dude. That's exactly correct. When we pulled up, I was like, oh man, I'm gonna have to crawl underneath and put stuff on. And he looks over at me after I talked to you. He says, she's got a hitch. I was like, oh yeah, baby, yeah.
I do look good for something.
Yeah. Because usually these are a pain to get to with how low they are.
Yeah, it's a ways to get up there to get to hook up to it.
Easy.
Oh, okay. I love this for you. Wait.
Oh, thank you. I feel like I've been christened. I've been christened. All right, so what I'm gonna end up doing.
You're having fun now. He said, we're having fun. Now he's having fun.
I agree. I'm with him, man.
Oh.
I understand that philosophy.
Oh yeah.
Would he freak out if I pick him up and hang him upside down?
What?
Yeah.
Okay.
He's looking like, why would you
I do that to my
like,
what's that? I do that to my nieces and my nephews.
I did that to him this morning.
Did you? See?
I did.
It's not an unnormal thing.
It's really not.
If he wouldn't scream, I'd try it.
It's not a matter of him screaming. It's a matter of when you put him down, what he's gonna do.
Oh.
And I can't control that.
Yeah.
Are you all gonna pull it?
Yep, we're gonna pull it back. We're gonna pull it backwards. You're gonna be in the car though.
I put it
When
in neutral or reverse?
You know what? I'm gonna have fun. I'm gonna put you in neutral.
Neutral? Okay.
Yeah, we're just gonna cruise like that. All right, guys, let's hop
Get
in.
in my car. Now.
All right, so what I think I want to do is I think I'm gonna pull her straight out here and just go straight to this side of this chair. And then we can stop with her like right there and then take her and go that way with it when we get her going. I don't know if I should tell that lady I'm pulling up beside her so she doesn't freak out. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull you pretty much straight towards the ocean.
So you mind
Okay.
straight?
Yeah, turn your wheels towards me the other way. About right there, that's perfect. All right, so I'm gonna run up there and tell that lady in the chair that I'm gonna be pulling up beside her so she doesn't freak out when we pull out there. And then I'll jump back in the truck and Christian will let you know. And all you have to do is hold the wheel firm and you're my caboose. We're just going back and then we'll end up stopping about 40 feet down, unhooking you, and then we'll get you going up and out this way, okay?
Okay, perfect.
Here we go.
Ready?
All right.
Yeah.
Good job, young lady.
I held it.
You did well. Well, was it fun?
It was.
Did they go, woo?
Oh yeah.
No, you having fun, right?
No, that's scared because you go too fast.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Come out here, I'll race you.
Oh, he got speed.
Oh, does he? Maybe I shouldn't. He'll give me a heart attack. Oh, he just threw his shovel out here.
Oh, he ready.
Oh, set the shovel down. Wait, ready? We're gonna go that way.
On your right.
Get set, go! Woo!
Can't lose.
You can move, boy.
That was funny.
You gotta walk home now. How you gonna lose on camera?
You earned your shovel.
Was it who did this fastest?
You're faster than me.
No, was it you did Pride Challenge? Who did the fastest?
No,
Yes.
that's all I got. You're not 6 and I'm 61.
Oh, still got it.
Moving for an old guy.
Yeah, it was. He left
You want me to back it up here for you?
I can back it up.
All right.
I hope so.
Yeah, go ahead and back it up. I got an eye on the squirts.
That's someone's toy.
You wanna play race with my sister?
She's just moving. Hang on a second. Stop. Go ahead and turn that way. All the way. There you go. Come on down here a little bit. Stop right there. You're good right there.
Can I go a little further?
Come on.
Behind the people?
Come on. Come this way a little bit. Come this way a little bit. There you go. Yep, right about there. How's that?
Perfect, thank you.
Here. Come on, guys.
You wanna play race with my sister?
I would love to stay and play, but I have got to go now.
Yeah,
I'm
there's
so
other people
sorry.
get their cars
I
out
gotta go
and
help other
everyone else
people.
needs stuff
But hey, much love, my friend.
too. What do you say?
Bye.
Bye. Can I get a high five? Bye.
Bye, girl.
Wow. Don't worry, they call me the Sandman.
Thank you so much.
very welcome. Be
Have a
blessed.
great day.
Have a great day.
See, good people, that's what it's about. It's about the people.
Oh yeah, it is.
We love the people. All right, y'all, the final chapter of this little trip that we went on today we believe is a Dodge Ram that's stuck up here. So we're gonna go up and see how stuck he is, find out where the tide is, and what's gonna be the best way to get him free. Can you get that hitch out for me? Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Stuck out there.
Nope. I want it when I'm done. And it's not going to include that other one. It's just going to include one of those. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
All right, so we're going a Yankum.
Yeah.
1 inch, 30 foot. We're going to go. That's a 2.5. Or is that a 2?
That's 2.5.
I think it's a. Is it a 2.5?
You want me in neutral or?
You're gonna be in reverse, and when I hit you, you're just gonna give it like medium gas, not hot rod gas, just enough to help lift you up. And Christian will be standing here, so he'll tell you. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, I could winch this, I really could. And could I get stuck trying to pull him out and going down this hill? I could. It's absolutely the case. But will I be able to winch myself out? If I do, I can. That will absolutely be the case. So I'm not sure what's gonna happen. We have gotten stuck before doing exactly this. I got an angle and it could sink me back and pull me in. So, but we're gonna give it a shot. All right, so this is what we're gonna do. We're high in reverse, okay. So for us, timing is really important. So you're gonna have to be giving it a little bit of gas, like right before I hit you, okay? Because if I hit you, it's gonna sink me. Now, I'm super light.
We should be able
So-
to after this.
I could end up hitting and sinking myself. I got a winch on the back. I'll bring myself back and I'll winch you down. But for the video, we're gonna try and give it a good pop.
He's the boss man. So
All right.
All for it.
Huh? You ready? All right, here we go. We're gonna give it a good shot, see what happens.
There we go. Turn the other way.
There you go. Nice and easy like that till you get moving. If you need to, go in reverse and get a little run at it. Are you in high or in low?
High.
Okay. Yeah, go in reverse. All right, that's good. Stop right there. Get some momentum and a little more gas, a little more gas as you go. Go ahead.
He's trying to crawl.
A little less. Let's stop. Slow. Go down. Go down there. Go down there.
Yeah.
Hey, listen to me. Go down here. Turn around and go back that out that way. Go ahead and turn it all the way down.
It's gonna be a lot easier.
There you go. Not too hard, not too hard. There you go. Nice and light. Just like that. Nice and light, nice and light, nice and light. Go straight, go straight. There you go. No, you're welcome. Turn around, go down the beach, and then hop up at the ramp about 10 miles an hour, okay?
Okay.
All right, let's make sure he makes it.
Yep.
I'll be right there if you need me.
Yep. And there's also, there was a white truck down there. He said if we had cables, he needed a jump.
Okay.
Yeah.
I have a jump box.
Oh, word. That's even better than cables, right?
Yeah. Got it? Thank you, sir. I'll get it.
Go.
Yo. That was fun.
Yeah.
At first I was gonna stop and bounce again after the first pop, but I felt like I was moving a little bit. I was like, you know what? Let's just let that little flow grind.
Yeah, I think he was just having a little bit too much gas at first.
He did. Yeah, people don't understand how much that hurts us when they're too much in the gas. Not only is it not only does it not help, it sinks them more.
Turns into a razor blade.
Yeah.
Like a saw blade.
Yeah. He did not do what I told him to do.
He needs to back up for him. You gotta run this.
I need to go. Chrysler, let's go get him off of the beach. Come on.
Yeah, I told him that.
Yeah, absolutely, man. Yeah, yeah, we got insurance and permits and stuff like that, but we do our best for folks.
White Chevrolet.
I'm standing in front of it.
Okay.
With my hands up.
Yeah, we'll come down. We'll be right down there.
Thank you.
No. 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 That didn't work out. All right, so I'm gonna pull you back and then I'm gonna get you out. First thing we're gonna do is get you backwards.
Hey man. It's about the right setup and knowing how to drive on.
2.5. I feel like I've just done this.
Maybe.
Just feel like I just did this.
Just maybe.
There's a Jeep down there pulling him out, so
Yeah.
that might be taken care of or not.
We might have a double up.
Might be a double up. All right. All right, here we go. We're going back on the beach. Back up a little bit. Come back. All right, right there. All right, see if he'll let me drive it out.
I think he has better odds in 4 low than 4 high.
Is it all right if I try and drive it out?
It's a 9,000-pound brick.
It's a big dog, I know.
Oh yeah.
I'm not guaranteeing I'm gonna get it either. I'm just saying I want to try.
Coming back.
I'm not held liable if there's any damage. What the? He's on, is that wrong? Woo-woo. Well, I got him out.
Few moments later.
Hello, my friend.
Hey. I'm trying to use this, but I don't know if I'm using it right. It's a Halo.
Yeah, that should. I have one too.
They like start anything, but
Yeah.
I don't know if I'm using it right.
Yeah.
So if you want to try it before we try the cable.
They're a pain. I have one too. I want to try this one just because I know how it works.
Yeah, I know these work good. I just don't
For
know.
sure. No, the Halos, these are awesome.
Yeah, I know.
They're
I
unbelievable.
just don't know how to use it.
I just know how to use this, so. Yeah, these things are like they're dummy proof. This is negative?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Would that make this positive? I'm just messing with you. Okay, I don't want it to arc on that, so maybe like that. I don't want to hit this. Let's see if I can do it.
Maybe that's what I was doing. Like,
Yeah, it's arcing. Something might arc. Go ahead, give it a shot now.
So I just press here.
Huh? Let me see.
Like that's on, right?
Yeah, let me get this off of here. You're good to go, partner. You're very welcome. For you, I was right here. You were right here. I'm not going to charge you. You have a great day. All right, we took care of them. Just we were down here anyway, so I was doing the dad thing. We gratis.
Oh yeah.
Here we go.
Like and subscribe to Santo. They're the best.
Subscribe to San. Oh.